na esiso ebere ansese nsuo ne beto nsuo to nam so kofa wo hia bubura ma se prae kwadwo sori anopa bobo to wo ena de ba ekom kataban ena de ade hye so enu tinye ya no hunu kwa ene ebetumi de aka ese bibi man to me sorry no ye bibi fa ho ema sustainable development goals ne fa ehwe say wiem adan adan ye ebetumi asa kira ne memu na aboaye no jedru ho.
We do know the critical enablers that will bring about the transformation that we seek, including innovation, smart partnerships, and innovative financing. We must be bold in our ambitions and unite with unwavering determination to scale up action on the SDGs whilst fully leveraging these enablers. We cannot be content with incremental gains. We must double down and push the boundaries to bring about the transformative change we so urgently need to end pervasive poverty, protect our planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for all.
Another down kwa kufuado na no di sembi eni
abusia close agada so ewo wona tiatie ne mu na ye bo apro kakra wa santemam ko oforukrum na afenso me ya hodo pi na ya probo no de be wie mu ewo so ame eho ne ye koya na ahyensode a na ewo ho ye ba akopade kokko no de achechechechere ho kire se woni abre pa ya woni aban no edin komo kire se woni tinka mu ateka mu ene aban akatua ode ma wona katua no so ntaban ne hwe na wo ye hu bibi mfa ma wo nya sa de wo nkwa adwuma ya ehun sanse de ka kire mu kase kwan so de akire mu no na ebre ko ho no ura ba akunya kokuduro ne edin komne mum no ne nsam na wo ka na eyade se na otimi hu se anibre na aba sade empanifo ka kire wo no omu di super pepe omu ntimi mu ona kandifo no ensam wo ka kire se bia ntrafi kopim sa ban no wona katua hu sense mbo ye ne ye ede ba wo no ne nsam a wode ma ye ne
enra no so ye mpefo press conference and omodi too amai inagana by enim say the strike na ye intention na ye say because strike no abaso in some of the circulars about the various district assemblies any ministries they say omo members na entina fee yes members of closac intina was say yes yetina fee na the reason why ye call strike in say ye twemu say aban any ye pay for na say e ka say omo sign memorandum of understanding in January 2022 ye ditu mu say effective dates of implementation for the new salary structure no ebe 1st January 2023 and that's the date here 3rd July 2024. Let's say Afibako Abitrim, Yante She. Intino, as a national executives, Omodu and himself say a strike. No, he say a boy and paying for mass, I strike action I take you a very effective because.
Yeah, quite anyone some from.
Yeah, quite anyone some from one. Ojem training the Cement Manufacturing Development Committee. Yeah, Ghana Standard Authority. I say Professor Alex Dodu. And Waka says yen to me tina wa memu. Me and mammy papa no ma home instrument to be actually a boa pek. Now what the Jenny Chichira Fred David near the Aswayan. And Nuntino Raketiam on our noon a year. A JD Swa force or the legislative instrument. Eric Otumra Sebe the film said the Ababua. Nasanamente born on it to me a pet. Not to memu. Professor Lejodu say we no anya ne bo apaye bia na fanfa yenti e no mani abere wo mo ye say adwuma so no na atumi aboa sanso obuso wo mo ye so no mantene say e di enti na mamututum sa no a wo say yen kasa factory price ba ko boy say wo say yen kirem enti akwakoye enema bia wo na asa de say patapani pieto emra be woro no say emra se bedwafo no gitum na be ye emra de a untumi nkasa woni so asemi orai Manuel Cherry ya o ye chief executive officer Edema Chamber of Constructions Industries was say enye say bia wo mo pesa asem no ampanifo ka wo tie na airline ni mu nsem no wo pesa wo mu hwemu no mu ade kure wo mu no matimi asi ho enkonwa
committee no amayeti asiese omo ye ready say omo ni ye be engage na asema okracha no mo no yenyina entrance na ebobo ho na because parliament the floor of parliament that doesn't mean it's going to be passed just like that. No, there's going to be further engagement and consultation with other stakeholders including us as well. So we are hoping the parliament, the committee, the subcommittee is going to invite us and they take it from there.
And our Monyanfo Kwabena Tahiru Hammond, Papa Katie Amaron, why I dance as Kwamra Shebe Jenny. Now, I pedi and as I get yes, one from Sulibetu just say, Adia or more yeno. Yes, one will be good, be a Juma, Nemum, Omo Pesa Fanfire, Itimiba.
And I'm going me only about to almost time. I ready on my transia. Hey, me who's a journalist or ha into Yama. I don't know journalist for. Come on, Chrome say, my consultation, my consultation, Bana Badia who tell my consultation. Tomo Banoma who consultation, all right. As my mobile cano say, I'll soon some say, we're Ghana in Asamo, and more car, Mecca, and to know who was just some and your faso. But, what a matter. My journalists no more na matna no who say more introduction no introduction we cement no consultation I don't want some ye baba kan
Ora Katie Hammond and yet in can.
E was some no how I do so that an watum and what say ye de here ni cedi no and dollar no and also kwanya da won tam no ye hwe na ye fele sa kwan no.
Must necessarily walk back to this house before the expiration of the 21 days so that this house can make an input into this pricing regime. Whilst I look at other options of testing the law on the rightness or wrongness of invoking a parent act which does not mandate that institution to do pricing, that I will explore, as I said, in other forums. But Mr. Speaker, for your purposes, it's been late, and yesterday, for some good reason, this side of the house probably was not here, so these matters could not be raised. But you want to regulate prices of cement, then tomorrow come and regulate the prices of petrol and diesel in the same manner.
Nechi Yeru Alexander Fenyomak and Sode Kakra also say.
Don't create that impression, Mr. Speaker. If for nothing at all, Mr. Speaker, the provisions are here. The regulation, the purpose is to promote competition. In the industry. That is what the purpose of the regulation says. So, Mr. Speaker, that impression must not be created. That is all, and I would want to rest my case.
Otie afanu mi enu wie ye no yewura aban babin na e kasai tetie mu di na no hu se bra so se yewura kwabana Tahiru Hammond sansan semnya no otwene ba kire.
The provisions are here.
I will advise that the sponsors of the instrument should take a second look at it and, if possible, withdraw and capture it in the appropriate language to come within the statutory limits that we have. It's just an advice. It's not a directive.
Achame hine Ghana mraso be Jamira Aban Smana Kings for Babina yetenen kan.
National Service Scheme for na one more eka say wo beti agumontation wa ye kire na sanse wo muntinka mu bia kam nenso empanifo aba montesu so eprude no wo masane de agu wo mu de ama wo mu a enche kura media nso ebeto aso. National Executive Council de National Service Personnel Association eden krata aba montesu be ka kire empanifo se ne ekeka kro no wankasa utinu wa tapieju obetwa bi swapampa mu pa ahwo kire ya sika mu mi ehin kate aniwa eno ano mde bi twaduane die de so wo no masene mu de bi twa tentuade e de koye wo madwuma ko wiase a na akote akokamu a nyade e beba enti sete saade a wo beti agumonte so aye kire nanso agya ye se eprude ya ba encheme beba na to so sa asemi Sompa ya ne andi ofori ya o ye member enso edema concern National Service Scheme wo bo adwuma obi akoye MNC no mai wo otimantem num etwetwe nkomo.
Allowance no, I mean, they can on my official company say, on my release April allowance, but I'm not very certain on Friday. On my release April, they can make okay allowance no for university graduates no, and 3 months, April, May, June, and now for graduate teachers from some 5 months and allowance. But then, yeah, to say I mean, your man release official company say, on my this fund for the amount of April mine. That the end man. You change of the mine order areas na 5 months allow no dem buy. As you say you brepa you for it ma cry the sika the say the cry need even transport I the page ma cry you need.
Akase ba no so.
Yewura Alan Kojo Chemate na ekase Ghana for busana senya me ya adona se Ghana for to abama no a. Ekwame na bafa so obeyi na so afo no se na se we de tietia. NDC na MPP no an obetutum say ya na ode abo bibia ma bibia so timi akoso se de Ghana for ehse o meto aba no e de ama no.
What I'm bringing to the political space in Ghana is something that is not just innovative, but that's what is going to change our politics in Ghana. So what I'm saying is that, number one, our biggest challenge in Ghana right now
is not the economic crisis. The economic crisis is a symptom of a deeper problem. And what is that deeper problem? Is the divisiveness and the polarization of politics in Ghana. Ghana is now divided along the line. Everything has been politicized. How can you sustain development in a country when the whole country is divided? So I'm saying the philosophy and the architecture, the new architecture of politics that I'm bringing, I'm saying that. So the critical component of what I'm bringing to the table now.
Iralan Kojo Martina, we are telling Kay.
Nana Kojo Kondria, and so your man edina, Nananum Atrankonya, no Finfi Mantemu, what the assembly to Jawa Brawodi Bakatue Afashe, was re a binser, Omwa, MS Yanko, addition so to me Afrejuma, Nanyaming to me a cosotot Saint Papa, Afe, Nana Kojo Kondria, San Ananama well mina, Omunya Woma drink, Seni Pebi, a Womoba and Srawe, Ewa Womo Babes, you won't quite Debbie, obey to me be a fair by way, Nile Mina, Benya. Lagunso wamwa ne emuntumi ena wakama na emwa na wase afasha awodro ne ye no manimu ebi ni bakatue abenche sikabote mfemu afasha awodro no no ye ne saa ebema akwansra enso atumi aba emasika aba omanum
Samaba. Mama, I am closing. I am closing. Psycho. So within the maximum, the first before we end the week, the 5,000 or a double festival is business. But the programmer, it's a multi-class. No one just told me I want from no one. No one for what festivals. I'm all that's a area the man now. The snow. We have been a make of the phone. Cassandra Hall.
Way a Nana Kojo Kondria. Our no ya wahine ewo Elmina nananom atrankonya
anopa me kan for de ma wo se ade enchi bia tutumirika ne fo ne timo yenkrabata bia ya eben wo ye ne sciatica expert no yare enka ye bia ka ho bia no ye hu adwuba o fresh 0540311311 0540311311 na ya Joseph 3A Herbal Center de Koko Master no badwa so wasa de 3A bam ne 3A ointment aba Mr Herbal calling na dane Herbal bia tondro bia no wo so pe 3A Herbal Center na dura e 3A Herbal Center wadi aba Koko Master 3A bam ne ointment no na aye woni paduare ho adwuma 0546107107 0546107107 eya Jimizo 5G ya wadi ya fra na afeso ne ya mfra ya ho ba bia wuko bia no ema oremfi o Fred Dr. Silas na opena wona din komo 0246270221 0246270221 OCP Ghana Limited aba na obaye or the OCP fertilizer na badwa so akuafo ye na ye srei adwuma bia ya wo ye no mo amoye bibiti se bia atosode nom ene bibiti se bia emo mu duamo emo abusuaku no awio nom ene ne nkeka ho no ne nyina no mokwa mo nsa beka bi ebie mo nso mo amudua bibiti se adua abusuaku no eko no ne nyina nso ehia na sa obefre OCP Ghana Limited na mpanifo agye wo so de wo hia no omo de be ma we be a ton fertilizer bia no wo so pe OCP Ghana Limited on fet na whatever just so edi akuafo asem e de ma fa no se de wasase ne kase sitie wo de go ase a o te anya sika do so na wo de go bottom 0555 909437 0555 909437
Asante abo Benedict na esemu for penny one ohihye kasebo ma yenso begu ho asew anopai e de ema mo akose somo Elizabeth na ono na trafidie na chi ema azuka ene na pamfo nsubo adwuma o MCR ho e de ema yen anopai ohinini ama kranchada zo of mami premiani mene
nana kwabra kese
adamu nyina se ama mo monitie ne sha ade she
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrem hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic womu ye sciatica expert.
Hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwento ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say to ana se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US,